Alright, today guys, we're going to make what I call a hole-in-one. This is keto friendly, and I'll tell you why. We're going to be using this keto friendly bread. And if you can see it on there, it is 9 carbs per slice, but 9 fiber. Which means, guess what, people? This bread right here is 0 carbs. Can you believe it? 0 carbs. I've been living off this stuff. If you can find it, we get it over at Aldi. If you have an Aldi near you, 0 carbs. So like I said, we're going to make a hole-in-one. Alright, so first things first, we're going to heat up the pan. Put a little bit of butter on there. So I'm using this Countryside Creamery spreadable butter. And pretty sure butter is 0 carbs. Yep, 0 carbs, everyone. So far we're doing good. 0 carb bread, 0 carb butter. Okay, so we're going to make the hole-in-one. What you do is you take your piece of bread, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to butter it. It's hard to butter once you put a hole in it, being a hole-in-one. Get you down here. So we take the bread, we butter it, so 0 carb butter, 0 carb bread. Then we take a glass. This one's too big. Let me see if I got something a little smaller. Okay, this will work. So we take the bread and we take a glass and we create what we call a hole-in-one. So there you go. Bread with a hole in it. And don't throw out the center. It's kind of like Dunkin' Donuts, you know, they got the munchkins, I got the bread. So we're going to make 2 of those. I like 2. And we'll butter this one. Get this pan cranking over here. Let's make the other hole. Okay, so now what we're going to do for our hole-in-one is take this bread we just buttered and made a hole in, put them in there. Okay, fry them right up, and you put your little circles in there as well, because you're going to use those to dip in your eggs. Then you take 2 eggs, and you fill that hole, just like that. You don't want to make it too high because you don't want to burn the bread before the egg cooks. So, a little under halfway. So that's what you got. 2 holes in one. We'll let those cook up. I'll show you what they look like. And you could, if you like it, over easy, make the yolk soft. Over medium, do whatever you gotta do. But I like them over easy. Hopefully they'll come out over easy today. Okay, so as they're cooking, you can use your little centers to see how the bread's cooking. Gives you an idea of what the hole-in-one's gonna look like on the other side. So let these cook up. Cooking up nicely. Starting to brown up now. What you want to do when you flip them also is just make sure you put some butter in there so that you can fry up this side that doesn't have the butter on it. I mean, you could butter both sides before you put them in or before you put your hole in them. I usually just throw butter in the pan and then flip them. Yeah, see, we're getting nice and crispy there. As you can see. So what we're going to do is get a little bit of butter in the pan. Flip these guys right over. Fry up that side. Now we'll do that with this. Oh yeah, look at that. That butter over here. Flip it. Looking good. Now what you can do, it's up to you. You can either leave them just like that, or you can dress them up a little bit. What I like to do, you throw a little bacon bits up there. 0 carbs as well. You know, bacon, 0 carbs. And we'll dress it up with a slice of Swiss on each one. Let that melt on there a little bit as it cooks. And there you have it. 2 holes in one. Little dippers. Nice breakfast for 0 carbs. Let's just double check that Swiss cheese here. 0 carbs. So we have all of this, no carbs, no net carbs. Alright guys, I'm going to let that cook up and then we'll do a little taste test. Alright, we're looking good. It's the way I like it, so I'm going to take them off. That pan over. Shut this baby down. Shoot. Alright everybody, that's a nice simple breakfast, quick, 0 carbs. You got your 0 carb bread from Aldi, you got your 2 eggs, got some Swiss cheese and butter. Nice and simple. And there you have it. 2 holes in one. Let's give it a taste test. Alright guys, we're going to give it a little taste. Now, if you're middle, sometimes you'll go medium. Depends on how fast you cook it. She's a little soft in the middle. You can use your circles now. Dip. Nice and crunchy. You can either pick it up and eat it or you can cut it. Delicious and 0 carbs.